Alright, just finished up the amplifier installation on my 2005 Dodge Neon. Got the old school Frontier 200 watt 2-channel amp right where the passenger seat's gonna be. Running right underneath there. We got our power wire ground, everything running through here. Got the fresh, clean sanding done on the ground. We're running 10 gauge to this one, something to get the job done. Stinger by SoundQuest. That's coming on back to the Kicker KS series 6x9s, 2 ways, coaxial speakers. Got the Renegade by Rockford Fosgate, 850 watt max, 425 watt RMS monoblock. Going on back to the temporary Diesel Audio 10-inch woofer. Homemade, sealed box. It's clean, it works though. It's airtight, 100%. Getting a new digital design 10-inch 500 series sub coming in the mail. Running, of course, the Pioneer head unit. Pretty clean. Got all the wires run. We just got to put everything back together. Got the 8 gauge Kicker Hyperflex wire going through here. Got Kicker 6.5s in the door, which are not amplified yet. That's coming up after the sub is done. So let's give it a nice little test. Check out the excursion on these 6x9s.
I don't know the song with me, but I'ma keep that style of fun with me. It's starting full, starting full for me. I don't know the song with me, you must be down with me.
Sitting outside, still clean. Alright, check back for more updates. Anthony Frakes, hit me up if you need an install. Working out of Seattle, Washington.